Redstick SiteCAD is a software tool that will help any design professional from an architect, draftsperson, all the way through to a carpenter, shop fitter, cabinet maker, or any trade that needs to measure, document a site accurately and quickly. No mistakes, no ambiguity. This information can be emailed or transferred to your CAD platform of choice. Redstick SiteCAD creates 3D IFC models that can be used in ArchiCAD, Revit, Vectorworks, MicroStation, or any other CAD program that can read IFC files. Start your BIM process on site. Use the information that you create on site the very first time and keep using it for total accuracy. You no longer have to recreate the same information you had to draw on site by hand and then transfer that information to a CAD package. Redstick SiteCAD has 3 components, 2 that are essential and the third one just really speeds things up. One's obviously our software, Redstick SiteCAD. 2 is a device, a smart device that can either be an Apple device or an Android. This can be an iPod, iPad, iPhone, or any Android smartphone or tablet. We do recommend tablets, obviously for its screen size. However, Redstick SiteCAD works very well on smartphones as well. And finally, to extend our capabilities, the third item is a Leica Disto laser measuring device. More devices will be supported soon. The whole concept of Redstick SiteCAD is a simple software tool that anyone can use, super simple and sophisticated enough to output a detailed IFC file that you can use on either a PC or a Mac and document it further in a full CAD package once you get back to your office. No need to rifle through complicated menus and dialogues, and it's designed to be used in real-world situations on site. So start your BIM process on site, not back at the office trying to decipher scratchy drawings. To start using Redstick SiteCAD, it's as simple as clicking on its icon. When Redstick opens up, you can see all the icons along the bottom. They're large enough just to click with your finger, and they're all very self-explanatory. So first of all, I'm going to turn the Bluetooth on. Once the icon's blue, I'm going to make sure I've still got the wall tool selected and click on any 2 spots on the screen. Then I'm just going to pick up the disto and grab a dimension, 3810, push the Bluetooth button and you can see that's gone straight into that wall dimension. Now I'm going to click up the page and I'm just going to grab another dimension, push the Bluetooth button and we can see that has gone in there as well. And if I want to, I can type in a manual dimension as well. And once I've completed that, I can click on the wall tool again and you can see it will deselect everything. And then if I want to place a door or a window, I click on the door tool and just click on the wall where you want it to go in. Now I'm going to grab a dimension for the door. I'm going to use the disto once again, so I'm just going to gather a smaller dimension. In this case, 735. I push the Bluetooth button and we can see that that has transferred into the tablet. I can undo changes and redo changes by these buttons. I can also place a window, and the disto works exactly the same way, any field that needs to be filled in. If I want more information than that, I just click on the palette down here and I can change the width of it here. You can see it's highlighted. It's very simple to see what's actually being edited. I'm going to push OK there. If I need more information than that, I just need to click on the arrow up icon and we can see we have more 3D parameters there. The width, thickness, head height and sill height, and if I scroll up there's a couple of more things there like note and delete if I need to add a note. I'm just going to get out of there and I can zoom in. I can also rotate the screen just by using 2 fingers. I can also lock that by clicking this icon here and then it won't rotate. If I want to edit anything, I click on the edit button and the full menu comes up. We can see the extra parameters down the left hand side, and if I close it, but if I wanted to edit the distance of the door from the end of the wall, I'll make sure the pencil tool is selected, click on the dimension, and over here it says 731. Once again I can use a disto if I want. Then I'm going to make that 700, push OK. We can see that that's 700 now. We can see that dimension is now locked and the window is 735. Now I'm going to move along the wall a little bit. I'm going to grab that 303 dimension, change that to 300 And once the dimensions are black, they are locked. They can't be changed anymore. So if I try and change that end one, 275 to 200, it won't let me do it because the overall dimension is 3810. So now if I wanted to add a wall as well, I click back on the wall tool and click anywhere on the screen. And once again, 804, 904, let's just round that off. Click on the edit tool, click on the 904, let's make that 900 and push OK. Once I click away, it's deselected. Now if I select this wall, you can see that it has a length, thickness and height. So all the 3D information that you need. If I close it and if I click on the up arrow, the dialog box gives me the 3D parameters as well as the dimensions of it. I can also align it to different walls and different objects on the screen, or center align it. I can also add a note and delete the wall as well. When I've finished, I just have to push save, and Redstick will by default save the file as the date and then the time that the file is being created by default. You can change that, of course. And once we're ready, we've got a filing system. We can open it, save it, and possibly email it back to the office where they can start work on it straight away.